Hi, welcome to Parramatta Bike Tours. My name is Carrie and today I will be running you through how to join the Community Bike Library. But first, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of country and recognise their continuing connection to the land, waters and community. I pay my respects to them and their cultures and to the elders past, present and emerging. Now let's get to it. So while you're on the Parramatta Bike Tours page, you head over to the Parramatta Bike Library. From there, scroll down. You can read a little bit about what the Bike Library is all about and its benefits, and then click Join Now. From there, it will take you to the hub where you can fill in your first name, last name, and email. Then you'll need to select a username, password, and then retype that password. And then click Submit. From there, it will take you straight to our membership packages page. Now you can have a read through these ones and see which package fits you best for what you're after and proceed straight to checkout. Otherwise, you can have a look at the items we have on offer by selecting inventory up at the top and have a scroll through to see what's on offer. You can search specific items here, see what's in stock now, and search by type. So sports and outdoors is our bikes, and tools is our tools and accessories. You can also go to our homepage where it's got more information about the Community Bike Library, step-by-step on how to join, and our memberships. And then again, our benefits. And just on the side here is our opening times. So far, we just have Saturday as our pickup times, and then you can arrange to drop off anytime during the week. Now going back to the packages, once you've had a look, all you need to do is go up the top, select account, then you'll need to go to membership options, and then you can select your membership. So today I'm going to go for the community membership. So just select pay. We'll have your name and it'll have your email address. Then you'll just need to type in your card details and press submit. You can opt to take your card off the file so it doesn't hold it on record, but you will need to have a card on file to reserve items and hire items out. I hope this was helpful and we hope to see you at the Bike Library soon. Have a great day.